Hi, let's get started showing you how to set up information used in ProSTART for commerce, including quotes and sales orders. Commerce settings are located in the Administrative module in the Company area on the Quotes Sales Orders tab. There are also some settings for inventory here. ProSTART works by creating quotes and sales orders first and then using those to invoice a client. Quote ladder pricing is an optional feature. You can enter prices every time you make a new quote, or you can set up defaults like these and save time. What you enter here will be calculated whenever an item is added to quotes and sales orders based on the gross markup method. For example, if an item's cost is $200, its markup will be 50% of gross, or another $200, which is 50% of the gross price of $400. You may enter as many ladder divisions as you like, with percentages that meet your company's goals. Percentages are always entered as decimals in ProSTART, so 25% is entered as 0.25. Here is an example of quote ladder pricing in action. Choose any item, this one is in the 60% ladder, and its price is calculated automatically by ProSTART. You can always change markup percentage and prices on the fly, as needed, just by entering a new value. There are also more settings that dictate how ProSTART handles your quotes. Percent deposit down will auto-enter on all new quotes and calculate from the total. You can always change this for any quote. Days till expiration will calculate the expiration date of the quote in the disclaimer text from the date of the quote. Percent charge fee will add an additional amount to all quotes if paid with a credit card, and sales tax is the default rate to be used on all quotes for taxable items. It can also be modified on the fly. The dropship default will also enter on quotes when you check this box. The concept of recurring sales orders and how they work are covered in another video. For your settings here, you just need to decide if you want new recurring sales orders to be generated by a server-side script or when ProSTART is opened. If you expect a lot of recurring sales orders, it speeds up your login time to use a server-side script. An item type can be class, category, use, or any system you like. What you enter here creates both a pick list and a numbering system. For example, a plumbing company might use faucets, piping, sinks, supplies, etc. Enter an optional item number prefix to organize your item numbers by categories. For example, enter 10 for faucets and its item number will have a prefix of 10. This is useful for sorting when you have many inventory items. You can also choose the method you want to apply when costing inventory added to quotes, sales orders, and invoices. The selected method will be used to recalculate your inventory value in real time. The definitions of how these work will show when you select them. Well, that's the basics for setting up quotes and sales order defaults in ProSTART. Now you're moving in the right direction.